What's up, world? It's your guys, A Money Elamine. First and foremost, if you haven't, like, subscribe, and share the VendDoc YouTube channel. Okay? 2021, they redid their analytics on our platform. They reevaluated our rankings, and it seems that we have dropped because, honestly, my fault. I haven't been posting enough. But I promise you guys that from this point on, you're going to see more of this face. You're going to see more of me dropping, like I said, gems, dropping knowledge about how you can start and how you can grow and how you can invest in vending and make a profit. Okay, it's my duty, it's my job to be able to bring that information to you in the proper form. I have 21 years of knowledge and expertise, and I feel like this is my way of giving back, is through the YouTube, to be able to bless a lot more people with the information that I've gained. Again, today's topic is how to get started for less than the cost of an iPhone, okay? And it's simple. Basically, a new iPhone is $1,300, okay? Now, yeah, you get the social media, you get the pretty aesthetics, you keep up with the Joneses and all that kind of stuff. But me personally, I've never been that type. You know, I have the phone because, you know, again, I'm who I am, you know. But for someone who's just now kind of figuring out where they want to be, you know, how they're going to invest in their brand, I suggest just stick with a used phone or whatever have you. But invest in tangible and more, I guess, returnable investments. Okay, an iPhone, you buy this new iPhone, 6 months from now, you will not be able to sell it for $1,300. Okay, but if you were to take that same $1,300 and invested $1,000 and bought you a fake-ass vending machine, then you will have returnable assets. Okay, residual income, passive income. Okay, and again, something that you can then build upon so that you can have generational wealth for your children. Okay, so it's simple put. I mean, this machine is going to make you money, unless you're somebody who is a social media influencer, or you have your own website that you're selling goods off of, or whatever have you. You know, what is the purpose of you having an iPhone? What is the purpose of you spending $1,300 on it? I understand some people are paying notes and all that kind of stuff, and I personally agree with that. I would never pay for $1,300 off watch. But again, if you have this type of flexibility in your credit, then you can be able to qualify to get funding for $1,000 to start yourself in vending. Okay, and then again, you'll be making passive income. Excuse me. Okay, so simple put, most vendors that we're seeing, they're making a low of $100 per week selling masks. Okay, so I shouldn't have to really do that math, but if you're making $100, okay, per week, 4 weeks, okay, what is that? $400. Okay, how many weeks would it take you to make that? Okay, roughly 4 weeks. So in 4 weeks, you invest in here, 4 weeks, you'll have your $1,300 to be able to go buy your Pro Max cash money or on a note, and then you'll still have this asset. You'll still be making this $400 every month after that. Okay? So, simple put, where are your priorities? You know what I'm saying? Where are you putting your priorities? Where are you putting your most important assets? Where are you parking your money in the end? You know, that's the simple put. I'm not going to bore you with anything, but it's simple. You know, if your iPhone can make you $400 extra per month, then go ahead and rush out and go buy it. You know? But if you don't see it seeing yourself making $400 extra a month with your iPhone, then come holler at me and we'll get you vending in your city and state, and you can start making that type of passive income. All right? So I hope this type of information you found valuable. Again, like, share, and subscribe to the VendDoc's YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate it. It is free. It gives me the ability and the fuel to just keep getting on this camera and dropping this type of information to you, okay? So yeah, this your boy Zay Money Elamine checking out.